Hey everyone, it's Greg the Mortgage Guy, and today I wanted to talk to you about the dreaded D word, decline. Happens in mortgages, auto loans, and all types of lending. And the best way around it is to know several factors that are determining why you should or should not get a loan. Most likely it's because of your FICO score. Typically the best FICO score is 740 and above. 670 to 729 is a good score. 620, you're starting to push the envelope. There are lenders, FHA will sometimes go to 500. And you want to work on that before you start to look at a loan. You should know your FICO score when you start the process. I helped a gentleman and his fiance buy a house. It took just over a year, but we set up a plan, we followed the plan, and they now own a home. So it can be done if you have the patience and you're willing to do the work. The other thing you want to know about is your debt to income ratio. Typically 43% is the high. Some lenders will go to 50% depending on the loan product. But these are things you want to be aware of when you start looking for a mortgage. You do want to be pre-approved before you engage with a realtor to go out and start looking at homes. Loan to value, anything above 80% loan to value. If it's a $100,000 house, if you're not putting at least 20% down, you're going to have mortgage insurance. So the more you can put down enhances your ability to get the better deal. And a complete application. When a loan officer is asking you for information, you want to be as complete as possible. Taxes, identification, whatever they ask for, they're asking for a reason, not to do it to you, but to do it for you, to help you get in front of an underwriter and get you the best possible scenario available. And then, of course, the other things you want to be aware of is job changes. Typically, a lender does want to see a 2-year history. If you're moving from one job to another, it's typically fine as long as it's in the same profession. But if you're a fry cook and all of a sudden you're a brain surgeon, they may question that. So, as always, if you have any questions, please message me in the comments section. We will be hosting some home buyer seminars in the near future, which I'll be happy to share that link with you. And we look forward to seeing you there. So thank you for taking part of your time and watching this, and happy buying. Thank you.